Hey friends, if you wish to delete your email account from the Windows 11 Mail app, then you cannot do it now. The reason is that the Mail app has been migrated to the new Outlook app, and the new Outlook app is using integrated email. So if you want to log out from it, that's a different thing. But to delete it, you'll have to delete the email itself from the online server. So like earlier, we cannot do it through the Mail app. The Mail app does not exist now. Okay, so this is the problem. And if you wish to add an account, you can obviously add an account through this method, but deleting, you'll have to delete the account itself. You cannot do it from the new Outlook application. If people are worried about data on the Mail app, be sure that there is no data on the Mail app. As in the app is merely a client. The data is on the server itself and is associated with your account. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.